The Aquaboon Whole House Filter is designed to enhance your well water filtration experience with its comprehensive system that includes a sediment filter, wrench, and bracket for easy installation. Engineered with a double O-ring design and 1-inch female NPT ports, the filter housing ensures a secure and waterproof seal, providing peace of mind by preventing leaks. This system effectively removes contaminants like dirt, rust, sand, and dust with its 5-micron water filter cartridge, ensuring clean water throughout your home. Thanks to its heavy-duty canister and larger filter cartridge, this filtration system offers an impressive filter life of up to 100,000 gallons, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The Aquaboon water filter system is user-friendly, with a pressure gauge for monitoring and a release button for effortless filter changes, making installation and maintenance a breeze. Crafted from high-quality FDA-grade polypropylene, the filter housing is both safe and durable, ensuring long-term reliability and consistent performance even under high water pressure.